Sit up nice and tall. Nice and straight. Look straight ahead. Just like that. Right there.
That hurts me.
Okay.
That hurts me. Well, at least you didn't cry,
All right,
man.
let's go. On your belly.
Yay! Good job, Ellie Belly.